Hey Benton, it's me, your dad again, here to read you another story. But before we start, I just want to say that I hope you had a really good day, and I hope it was filled with lots of playing with toys and eating delicious food. That was one of my favorite things to do, was to make you epic meals every day, and I can't wait to come back home and do that again. So, with that, let's get started with today's story. It's called The Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. The horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you've ever heard. Got the skunks crossing the road on the way to the big city. Little blue truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? It is pretty. Look at the pictures. Beautiful. The motorcycle right next to the welcome sign going over the waterway. All the stores. Cool. Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Those are some giant skyscrapers. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Look at that. A bike keeping up with traffic. All the people running for their taxi. Wow. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us. That double-decker is angry. The grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud. I'm first, you're last. It's not very nice. The grocery truck is angry. He's been in the city too long. Whoa, went a siren coming through. Busy police car. Things to do. Look at that police car. It's going somewhere. That truck better pull over. Get out of his way. Swish, swash, swoosh went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Looks like that sweeper truck's gonna swallow a little blue hole. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. Look at that fancy, angry limousine. There's the street sweeper behind. I've got his honor, the mayor inside. I'm important, move aside. That's the limousine talking still. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Look at that traffic. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. The blue guy knows what's going on. He's really patient. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough, and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue, would you like a ride? Looks like Blue's gonna save the day. Get the mayor where he needs to be. That limo. He was all in a hurry and now he can't even go anywhere. Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. The mayor. The mechanics working on the car. His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech. the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck. This good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do. So single file, folks. Follow blue. Wow. Blue is right. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. But all those angry trucks are now in line. Looks like a nice coffee shop. Take you there someday. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. Look, it's a parade. And this is also a parade of trucks. But that's a parade like a normal parade. The marching band. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. He just got the mayor on the back of his truck. See? There's the mayor. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way. Come back soon. He's going back, the truck's going back to the farm. The end. That was a nice story. Well, I love you very much, Benton. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I can't wait to see you in person again. Won't be long, so I love you very much.